Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can get Google Calendar Meet API keys. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply search Google Cloud Console onto the search engine, and you want to open up the official website from Google. Now from here, of course, you can then try to create a free account. So simply click on the get started for free. And after logging in, you then want to click on the console option. It's going to be this button right here. Once inside your account dashboard, you want to click on the navigation menu, which is going to be this button right here. Navigate through API and services and click library. Simply on this page, you then want to search for calendar, hit on enter, and then we have the Google Calendar API. Simply click on it. And from here, you want to make sure that it says enabled. From there, it will then lead you here directly. So navigate through the credentials option. And from here, you then want to click create credentials. Select API key. And basically, of course, you can name this the way you want to. So let's name this calendar meet. And you can put restrictions or filter. And from there, since you already installed or enabled Google Calendar, you can also put a restriction on your filter. So in my case, I'm going to be selecting Google Calendar API. Click OK, click on create, and from there, you will be able to get your Google Calendar Meet API key. Just wait for this to load in, and basically this is our API key right here. Just click on copy, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.